Stroke is a leading cause of death and disability in the world. A quarter of the people in this room could have a stroke, and 65% would live disabled as a result. Now, try to imagine that you're walking home, and out of the sudden, you start feeling numb and confused. The next thing you remember is waking up in a hospital bed. The doctor tells you it was a stroke, and that now you will have a motor impairment. This means that one of your legs is going to be so weak that you won't walk normally again. The worst part is that even after months of daily physical therapy sessions, you would have to wear assistive devices or uncomfortable orthotics to move. At Biomex, we have designed a therapeutic solution that will target your specific recovery needs. It is a wearable device that can be daily worn under your clothes. And thanks to a machine learning algorithm, the device adapts to your walking pattern and provides precise electrical stimulation to the weak muscles at the right moment. All this while you walk or perform your daily activities at home. We can retrain your muscles faster, more effectively, and without restraining your movement. At Biomex, to bring our device to a growing 700,000 patients market in the US, the UK, and the EU, we want to complete 2 milestones: finish the design of our device and run a clinical trial. But we cannot do this alone, and now we are seeking to raise another £2.7 million. We bring to the table an expert team of world-leading biomechanical engineers, a proof of concept of our device, and a US patent. In the time I've been talking, another 40 people would require our help to recover from a motor impairment after a stroke. My name is Catalina, and thanks for listening.
Michelle, would you care to go first?
Thank you. Thanks, Catalina, for that. So just to go over the numbers, you mentioned 700,000 patients in the US, EU, and UK. Did I hear that correctly?
Yeah, correct.
So, and do you know how much you plan to target out of that 700,000?
Those are our serviceable market right now. So those account for patients that have a deficiency, a weakness in the calf and in the thigh only. So those are like our serviceable market.
Okay. All right. And will you be focusing on any other problems that this device can be used for, since it seems that 700,000 and the percentage of that to capture is a bit low? So did you consider anything else by any chance? Because it seems that it can be adapted, right, the technology?
Currently, that's our only 2 pathologies we are going to focus on.
Okay. All right. And yes, in terms of finishing the design, so I guess there is a software component, please correct me, and hardware component, is that correct? And you're going to finish which part, or do they both need to be advanced a bit more?
So so we have to, currently we have a device only for healthy patients, and it's going to work for osteoarthritis. So we have to design a new device for stroke patients. So we need to add a second channel of stimulation, adapt the machine learning algorithm, and also train it with an abnormal gait for stroke patients that abnormal gait.
Okay, thank you.
How long?
Can I ask a question if you can hear me?
I'm sorry, Bill. We have a general melee about this. We'll be here all night. And we're happy to be here all night, but if you're in person, we could be doing that upstairs at the end of the final session, I'm afraid. But please do contact Catalina directly if you wish further information on the
Absolutely. Absolutely, yep.
Good,
Hi. What do you think the steps are all the way to kind of market adoption from where you are now?
Okay.
And how long do you think that will take?
Okay, so currently we have approached some neurologists and physiotherapists in Charing Cross Hospital. So they are really keen to use our technology because it's easy to use. This is an old technology, but we are adapting it for it to be more accurate in the stimulation. So they're really keen. We estimate that we can target UK market by 4 or 5 years from now on.
So you'll need more than 2.7 million in the end?
Yeah, of course, yeah. This is just starting our pilot clinical study and finish the design of our device.
Okay, and then just after now invested probably about 20 or 30, who will we be selling the company to?
So currently, yeah, we will target another companies interested in rehabilitation devices at Otstock, Ottobock currently, and there are a few in the US.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you very much.